Solved problems. Bank reconciliation statement. Update and reconcile the unreconciled balances. Problem. Lirato Shalabaka is a trader. Her financial year ends on 30th April. The bank columns of her cash book for the month of April 2013 were as follows. Cash book, bank columns only. On the debit side, 2013, April 1, balance brought down 1194. April 4, cash sales 1250. April 15, Pulara and Company 110. April 24, capital 3000. April 29, Kuneka 530. Total receipts including opening balance 6084. On the credit side, payments. April 8, Fofolo, check number 00134, amount 316. April 10, Bitumelo Stores 000135, check number and amount is equal to 465. April 18, for expenses paid by check 000136, amount 212. April 30, equipment paid by check number 000137, amount 2500. April 30, assistant salary paid by check 000138, amount 450. Balance carried down 2141. Total payments including closing balance 6084. 2013 May 1, balance brought down 2141 on the debit side. Lirato Shalabaka's business bank statement for April 2013 was as follows. Bank statement for the month of April 2013. 2013 April 1, balance 86 debit. April 2, credit 280, balance 194 credit. April 4, credit 1260, balance 1454 credit. April 7, 000134, debit 316, closing balance 1138. April 14, 000135, amount 465, balance 673 credit. April 18, 000136, debit 212, credit balance 461. April 21, credit 110, closing balance 571 credit. April 26, 000137, check number, amount debited 2500, closing balance 1929 debit. April 29, credit 3000, closing balance 1071 credit. April 30, credit transfer rent 280 debit, closing balance 791 credit. April 30, dishonored check Pulara and Company 110 rupees debit, closing balance as per bank 681 credit. The following errors were discovered. 1. Lirato Shalabaka had brought down the cash book balance on 1st April 2013 incorrectly. It should have been M194 and not 1194. 2. The bank had made an error recording the cash paid into the bank on 4th April. It should have been M1250 and not M1260. A. Starting with the debit balance of 2141, update the Lirato Shalabaka's cash book. Bring down the updated bank balance on 1st May 2013. B. Prepare a bank reconciliation statement for Lirato Shalabaka at 30th April 2013. Solution. Bank reconciliation statement as on 30th April 2013. Date, particulars, amount. April 1. Balance as per bank column of cash book 2141. Add April 4. Difference in cash paid into bank 1260 minus 1250, 10. April 30. Check number 00138 not yet debited by bank 450. Total additions 10 plus 450, 460. Less April 1. Difference in bank column of cash book 1194 minus 194 minus 1000. April 29. Check from Kunega not deposited into bank minus 530. April 30. Rent directly transferred by bank minus 280. April 30, dishonored check by Bullara and Company, minus 110, total deductions 1920. April 30, balance as per bank passbook 681. Updated bank and cash balances on 1st May 2013. Date, particulars, cash book, bank book. April 1, unreconciled balances as per cash book 2141, as per bank, credit 681. April 1, difference in bank column of cash book 1194 minus 194 minus 1000 in the cash book column. April 4, difference in cash paid into bank 1260 minus 1250, 10 in the bank column, add 10 in the bank book column. April 29, check from Kunega not deposited into bank, minus 530 in the cash book column. April 30, check number 00138 not yet debited by bank, 450 in the bank book column. April 30, rent directly transferred by bank, 280 minus in the cash book column. April 30, dishonored check by Bullara and Company, 110 minus in the cash book column. April 30, reconciled balances as per cash book 221 debit, as per bank book 221 credit. Recap. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Accounts Lobby for various solved problems and lectures on accountancy.